I never thought I'd sit in a counseling room asking this. Can my marriage survive infidelity?
Good afternoon. I'm glad you came today. I understand you've been going through a very difficult time in your marriage. Can you tell me what's been happening?
It's hard to even say. I found out that my husband has been having an affair. I don't know if I can ever trust him again.
I hear you. Discovering infidelity can feel like your world is falling apart. It's normal to feel hurt, angry, confused, or even numb. You're not alone in feeling this way.
I don't know if this marriage can survive. Can it?
That's exactly what we'll explore together. First, let's talk about how this has affected you emotionally. How have you been coping since you found out?
I feel like I can't sleep. I keep thinking about every moment, every lie. I feel betrayed, but I also feel guilty for wanting to leave. It's confusing.
Those feelings are valid. Betrayal brings a mix of emotions. Anger, sadness, self-doubt. All of these are normal reactions. Sometimes clients feel guilty, thinking they've failed or could have prevented it. But I want to remind you, this is not your fault.
I know, but it doesn't feel like it. I trusted him.
Trust is fragile, and it's okay to grieve it. Healing starts with acknowledging your feelings, rather than suppressing them. Let's take a step back. Infidelity doesn't happen in a vacuum. It's often a symptom of underlying issues: poor communication, unmet needs, emotional distance, or personal struggles. Understanding why it happened doesn't excuse it, but it can help you decide what to do next.
I guess, he said he was lonely, but I thought our marriage was fine.
Loneliness doesn't justify betrayal, but it does indicate a problem that existed in your relationship. Sometimes couples are unaware of these cracks until something drastic happens. This awareness can guide decisions if you choose to rebuild trust. Now, the important question: can a marriage survive infidelity? The answer is yes, sometimes. It depends on multiple factors: willingness to be honest, take responsibility, and commit to rebuilding trust.
Is it realistic? I mean, can someone really regain my trust after lying for months?
It's challenging, but possible. Trust is rebuilt gradually, through consistent behavior and transparency. It takes effort from both partners, and importantly, both need to want the relationship to survive.
And what if I can't forgive him? Does that mean the marriage is over?
Forgiveness is personal. Some couples survive without full forgiveness but still establish boundaries and respect. Others find separation is healthier. The key is making an informed, emotionally safe choice. Let's talk about steps you can take, whether you decide to stay or leave. 1. Open communication. Talk honestly about feelings and expectations. 2. Counseling together. Professional guidance can prevent patterns from repeating. 3. Set boundaries. What is acceptable going forward? 4. Self-care. Emotional healing requires nurturing yourself. 5. Decision-making timeline. Don't rush, give yourself space to process.
I see, so it's not about instant forgiveness, it's about taking one step at a time.
Exactly. Rebuilding a relationship after betrayal is a journey, not a single event. Tell me, how do you feel now, sharing your story?
A little lighter, I think, like I'm not carrying it alone. But I'm still scared. I don't want to make the wrong choice.
It's natural to be scared. The fear shows how much you care. Remember, being thoughtful about your next steps is a strength, not a weakness.
I want to try, but I also want to protect myself.
And that balance is healthy. Self-protection and openness can coexist. It's about boundaries and honesty. To summarize, a marriage can survive infidelity, but it requires 1. Honesty. 2. Commitment. 3. Counseling. 4. Emotional work from both partners. No one can decide for you, only you can choose what is right for your emotional well-being.
Thank you. I feel like I can start thinking clearly now.
You're welcome. Healing is a process. Take your time, focus on yourself, and remember, seeking support is a strength. Do you believe a marriage can survive cheating? Click the subscribe button and let's talk about it.